These may look like ordinary chickens, but they're much more than what you think birds are. Despite what the government leads you to believe, birds use technology that you may not even know is possible. Every bird you see in the sky includes these parts: cameras, microphone, speaker, CPU, battery, wireless antenna, inductive charging coil. Domestic birds serve a special purpose, monitoring civilians 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from within their home. Do not let the government brainwash you. Do not let these birds into your home. Heed my warning. I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I am finally done.